Hey all, today I want to show you a little bit about the RYOBI reciprocating saw. It's a nice cordless, takes a 18-volt battery. You can take the smaller one. It'll take it'll take just about any 1+ battery, and just snaps right in the bottom here. And it has an easy quick change blade system. You just lift this lever up and the blade slides right out. You could actually flip the blade upside down if you want, or you could turn it the right way. Just lift that lever up, stick the blade back in, let it down, make sure it's locked in. It is. Okay, and it has some extraordinary control to it. It'll go from 0 to 3,000 beats per minute. And it has a 2.36 stroke. That means how far the blade goes in and out. And it has a lock back here, so you can either hold it this way or this way, depending on your style. And it has this incredible control of the speed. Watch. I'll show you what it feels like with max speed. So it has incredible control, as you can see. Do just about anything. If you get these nice blades, axe blade, that's for cutting through wood and nails. You know, you could put any blades in it. As you can see, I got a Milwaukee Sawzall blade in there. And this is a RYOBI item. This is RYOBI P513 reciprocating saw. And that's it. That's all I want to show you. It's a very simple saw. No tools required. I'm sure you need extra batteries if you're doing big jobs. If not, these batteries last a long time. And easy to change out blades, you know, if you want to cut metal, you just change out the blade real quick, lift the lever up, pull the blade, slide the new blade in, there you go, it's in. Now I got a power hacksaw. If I want to take that out, unclip it. There we go, back to there. The only thing I don't like about these saws, this if you're like cutting to the ceiling, this likes to collect all the dirt in this hole and in this vent here, which is I don't know. I know it's required to cool the motor off, but boy, is that in a bad spot. And you know where all the dirt's going to go, right in there. I can see dirt in there already from when I was cutting in the ceiling. And then it has this nice guide here, so you could you know, so you can hold it to your workpiece without having to free float it all the time. Anyway, that's it. That's about as slow as I could make it go. Anyway, I really like my RYOBI reciprocating saw, and if you get one, you'll probably like it too. Usually it doesn't come with any batteries. You know, always have extra batteries around and have one charging. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If I remember anything else, I'll let you know in the comments section. If you'd like to tell me something, please leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.